Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X6a and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. Now let's localize the build number, which is right here, and all we have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Now let's go back to the general settings and enter system and updates. And right now just tap on the developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, so overall the networking, etc. So all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to simply tap on the switch on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, for example, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by going to the top of the list and tapping on the first switcher. And as you can see, we will be automatically dragged to the system and updates, and the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.